get ready to make money, because today I'm going to show you 8 of the websites, of the best websites online that will pay you today, and they'll pay you daily, weekly. And before you think that these websites are not for you, or you don't have experience, so you've already exempted yourself, or you are skeptical because of your location, I'm telling you that irrespective of your location, your experience, all you need is a strong internet connection. That's all. Because lots of people and many more have been paid and are still getting paid from these 8 websites. And I want you to pay close attention to what I'm about to tell you. Take some time to digest it, because I'm going to sprinkle all the best websites in today's video. I mean it. And without further ado, let's hop on to the website and get started. Hello guys, I'm Shallybuilds. Highly welcome to my YouTube channel. Just a millisecond, I need to check if my mic is working, because mic has really fucked me up for some time. Alright, well, good. I'm Shallybuilds. If you are new here, you are highly welcome to my YouTube channel. And if this is your second time of being here, hello, hi, you are welcome. So sit tight. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you can get updates, fresh updates, once I upload them. Alright, so let's get started. So the first website that we have on this list is a company called Aonethon. Aonethon, that's the logo and that's the website. None of you have heard of it, so you have to listen carefully, because they are hiring people right now to work from home or remotely. This job is a transcribing or typing one. You will help doctors, lawyers, researchers, and so many other professors around the United States of America and Canada, and you will be working as an independent contractor. You will turn audios into texts, interviews into text, interrogations, lectures, even in the medical world, into the required texts. This is a company about Aonethon. If you want to know more about Aonethon and others, contacting them, solutions, this is what their products, what they offer, the technology, trust. We'll still come back to this one. So they save time, improve productivity, lower costs, transform your document workflow with advanced speech-to-text solutions. Here, as I said, at Aonethon, we understand the value of seamless and efficient documentation process, and that's why they've taken the extra effort to help you document your audios into texts. Now, with Aonethon, you can make from $17 to around $45 per hour, and they pay weekly through PayPal or direct deposit. It's completely up to you to know how you want to work and how you want your money to be paid into your account. Well, I have lots of websites in today's video that will pay you daily, but the thing about Aonethon is that it pays you weekly. Well, it's not bad after all, right? Yeah. And then a good thing is that with this job, you don't need any experience at all. But if you've already had a transcribing experience or a typing job experience, then good. This job is also for you. You can go ahead and apply. I'm going to show you how to apply in just a few seconds. But before that, there is something they require you to do. They want you to be of good and managerial behavior. You should know how to manage your time, have a computer, and then you should also stay in a quiet environment while working. These are the mandatory terms and policies if you want to apply at Aonethon. So this job is great for anybody who is looking at earning $17 and above to $45. Now, to get started, look at the top screen at the right hand side that says apply. Click on it and then complete the application procedures, and you will hear from them after you've applied very soon. Now let's move over to the second website. This website is called SuperPayMe. It's an awesome company for anyone looking to work at home, irrespective of your location, irrespective of your geographic location, irrespective of your work experiences. None of that matters. Even your gadgets don't matter. You just need a phone or a laptop, well, a phone, and then you need a strong internet connection and you're good to go. Now, SuperPayMe has been in business for over 10 years. So you know what that means, right? Meaning that with a 5-star rating, they have like 4.3 star rating. I mean, that's way so good. And they've paid users, the sum of it, they've paid over $6.3 million to users with a span of 10 years. So it's really worth it for you to try. Besides, they pay daily. The top-notch reason why I recommend SuperPayMe to anybody is because of their simplicity and ease. Okay, check out their websites. It's so easy to understand, easy to use. They've already outlined the benefits. They've already outlined everything you need to succeed at SuperPayMe, and then it makes it so easy for you to understand and carry out the task. Plus, it's for broke people. So if you don't have any money and you need some cash, some change in your pocket, this site is for you. Well, you may be asking, how can we really earn money? What are we going to do on this website? And that's what I'm here to show you. You perform some tasks like completing surveys. You complete surveys, you take offers, you watch videos, you play games, and a whole bunch of this stuff. It's very easy, and this website is also a very easy website to learn. You can also make money by referring people to the website. It's completely optional though. You don't have to do it, but if you want to maximize your money, I suggest you put that link out there on Substack or Medium, on any writing or blogging platform, and let people sign up. People signing up for free to make money. Anyone will do it. Come on, guys. So you can make money if you perform the task on SuperPayMe, like $50 in a day. But if you're going to put your referral link out there, I believe you make more money, $100 and $200 and above. And guess what? They are just going to wire the money straight into your PayPal account. So give it a try. So there are also lots of websites I will link you to. I'll put in the description box below. These websites will pay you, but once you put your referral link out, it's going to catalyze the whole process. It's going to get you more change, more money. Besides, once your referral link is out there, it's out there. Even 20 years to come, if anybody uses your referral link, you get your commission. But I got some more websites to show you. So without further ado, let's hop on to the next website. This company right here is called Remote Task, and you can actually complement those 2 tasks I mentioned earlier. It's a really hot platform right now because people are making money with it. You will do things like transcribing audios, labeling images, and guess what? The kind of tasks you'll be doing for this company is very easy to do task. As a matter of fact, you can even do these tasks while chatting, while you're at home, or you are watching videos. I mean, it's very easy to do. And like I said earlier, you can do it remotely, working from home. And a very good thing is that they offer trainings and hands-on training courses, and they've paid over $15 million to users since when they started. With Remote Task, you are paid for every task you complete around 2 to 4 cents. But don't get discouraged, right? Because other websites that I will show you, and these other 2 I've mentioned earlier, is going to complement and add up. Come on, and if you are very efficient in Remote Tasks, I believe you can skyrocket your payments. People have created full-time income for this program, so don't underestimate it. So let's get over on to the 4th website. This is getting good and goosey. Now, this website here, okay, friends, this is getting good, right? This company right here, the Home Business Academy, it's actually one of my favorites on this list, and I'll explain to you why. One of the main reasons is because of the income potential. This company right here, if you're looking for something that's life-changing, something that can put a 6-figure or even 7-figure, and I mean it, income on your pocket, this is the opportunity for you. It says right here, quickly build amazing pages and funnels, generate high quality leads, and turn those leads into customers and raving fans without knowing any tech or hiring expensive designers and coders. They inspire and empower freedom through principle-centered leadership, quality, simplicity, and putting people first. That's the core value. And then for all product purchases, we donate blah, blah, blah. Well, this company is not for everybody, unfortunately. It's just for those who are looking to make 6 figures and 7 figures and are tired and don't want to do the regular work from home job. If you are part of those people, and I believe they are the ones watching me, if you're part of these people, then this work, this business, this company is for you. And another thing is that it's passive income. That's right. You will have money coming into you from all rounds, even while you sleep, while you're in the toilet, while you are outside, everywhere. Money is coming to you daily, provided you put in the work. Okay, so let me explain what this business and this company is all about, so you will know if you really fit in for the work or you're just going to skip to the next company. This opportunity is worldwide, where you live and you can participate in it. Now, HBA, as the short is, was founded in 2006 by 2 individuals right here, Paul and Mike. Like I said, this website is paying 80% commission, recurring commission for every single week. And this is what you'll be doing. You will assist various businesses. You will assist various businesses out there with marketing tools, helping them with their landing pages, their capture pages, to enable them create a page for anything. All you have to do is plug them into the system. They will get the training and anything they need to do to be successful, and you will be getting paid in the process. To get started, you have to log into their website and follow the simple training. They got training on how you create the pages, how you can go out there and provide business with these pages. So if you're interested, I'll leave all the links below. Now let's get over to the 6th website, which is called Alpine Careers. This website right here sells heating and cooling systems online. Their goal is to help the environment by selling eco-friendly HVAC equipment and making shopping easier for their customers. Now, what's really cool about this company, Alpine, is almost everybody that works for them works from home. They do have warehouses, yeah, but almost everyone works from home or remotely. Now, one thing I like about them is that they also do other extracurricular activities like trainings, taking courses, and they do get-togethers as well. They also work on projects and extra activities like bonfire nights, gala dinner nights, and what have you. So it's a nice mix up of working remotely and then coming together to have fun. And there's something else. They also offer paid vacations and holidays, you know, to spend time with your loved ones in a different location. I mean, it's so beautiful. So let's get talking about working with Alpine in the different job roles. Here it is, view jobs. The one I will bring to you today is called the consultative sales rep. On an average, these reps, they make around $120,000 per year, and the top 1/3 of them make about $143,000 per year. If you want to know in full details, this is where you can find them: full stack web developer, SEO manager, director of catalog, and what have you, and others. So if you want to view website and help full-time, they require full-time work. Now, what do you need to work with them? You need to provide excellent services to the customers. You also need to enjoy helping people, be a good communicator, have good communication skills. You also need computer skills as well. And they also want you to be reliable and accountable. They have more jobs, like I've shown you earlier, which you can apply for. So these are the options on Alpine. If you want to get started with them, just click right here where it says view jobs, where it says view jobs, and then you'll be able to complete other processes and applications. So let's get over onto the number what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 websites, and it's called Cambly. In Cambly, you get to teach kids, you get to test adults, and you just you are paid by holding simple conversations online. You get to test and prove the conversational skills of kids and adults included. To get paid on Cambly and to get started on Cambly, you need to be a top-notch English speaker or a nerd. But the best part here is that you don't need any teaching experience, you don't need a degree, you don't need a certification, you don't need a qualification. All you need is an Englification. Know how to speak English. Now, and you can apply for Cambly in just under 10 minutes. When I was out there doing my research on this company, I found out that people were making over $300, $700 a week. That may not sound like a fortune though, but it's pretty good because it doesn't have any strict requirements to get started. If you are interested, you just have to simply click on the sign up button right here, top right, and start your application process. And it's pretty straightforward. But if you need some guidance and help, I'll also leave the link in the description box below. Can you imagine? They say sign up, you sign up, and then you personalize and you start learning. It's as simple as that. So what are you waiting for? So the next website I'm about to show you, you may have heard of it, you may not have heard of it. This company is called My Traffic Powerline. And if you are someone who doesn't want the regular work from home jobs that pay you in change, but you really want the main one, all right, then this website is for you. MTP, as I shortened it to be, My Traffic Powerline. MTP, what is it? It's a company that specializes in traffic, meaning they help businesses get visitors to their website, which is something that every business out there needs. As a matter of fact, traffic is the bloodline of businesses, and if they don't get that, they're gonna die. It's just a matter of time. All you gotta do to earn with MTP first is to sign up. Where is the sign up? Here. It's either you log in or you sign up. Log into your account and follow the step-by-step training. Go out there, post ads, and you're going to track business owners and also people who want to start their business. And guess what? You're going to get paid for it. You're going to get paid for every single day you come up with a client. It's going to be a direct deposit to your PayPal account. Now let's move to the last website we have. But the thing here is that we've changed gear. If you ever wanted to earn by just publishing books online, like children books, Halloween books, ebooks, cookbooks, business books, inspirational books, and all kinds of books, then this website is for you. If you ever wanted to make money with books, then this is a great way to do that. Besides, this is a great website for you, and you don't want to ignore it. The name of this website is called Self-Publishing Titans. It was created by a guy named Cobblestone. He has helped a lot of people make money by self-publishing books online with the right tools and training which they offer. And once you are offered these trainings, you will be trained for a period of time, and after that you'll be able to go ahead of the competition and self-publish books the right way on their platform. So that's all I've got for today, my friends. Man, it's really a long talk, but I loved it. Thank you so much for stopping by, and peace and blessings to you. Until my next video, be good. Bye.